Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Lens on your Android device. To get started, open the Google app, Google Lens app, or the Camera app if your device has Google Lens built in. Tap the Google Lens icon to launch the feature. You can point your camera at an object, text, plant, animal, product, or landmark that you want to identify. If you want to scan an existing photo, tap the gallery icon and choose an image from your device. Google Lens will analyze the image and display relevant information, such as search results, translations, shopping links, or copied text. You can also use Google Lens to translate text in real time, copy text from printed documents, solve simple homework questions, identify plants and animals, or search for products online. Simply tap the result that matches what you want to do. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use Google Lens on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.